Hey y'all, hey, we're all back from our annual Virginia Highlands camping trip. It was the 29th year. Everybody enjoyed it real well and look forward to going back next year. And hope I can get some of you down there next year. It'll be my 30th year, and I'd like to get some old friends that had went in the past. I want to fill you in a little bit on how the trip was. We got down there Saturday, and Payne showed up a little bit after we did, and Payne helped us cook and everything. We enjoyed his company down there. We sure did have a good time though, that's for sure. Anyhow, we did cook a little bit down there, and you're seeing our pictures that a few things that were cooked and everything. But anyhow, my friend Jeff, he come up from the Charlotte, North Carolina area, rode his motorcycle up all the way up in the range there just to see us. That was a Tuesday, and and Wyatt, he enjoyed the trip again this year. It's his second year, so like I said, everybody really enjoyed the trip, and I know you'd all enjoy a trip down there too. If you like any kind of a camping, if you like camping out at all, come on to Virginia with us next year. I know you all will enjoy it. This daggone camera, I lost at least a day and a half of footage on my camera, so it's going to be more of a slideshow than a video, because like I said, I lost a lot of my video. You just all enjoy the video, and we'll see you soon. Here we are at the top of Cummer's Rock. This is a view up here. See way down there?
You good, girl?
This New York, Texas toast. What in the heck is New York, Texas toast? Is it Texas toast or is it New York toast? It'll be fine. Are we gonna be fine? Everybody's fine. Yeah. Look, Wyatt's down there coloring. He really is.
DW's wife was helping.
Yeah, DW's wife's helping.
Me.
Alright.
And yes,
Yeah.
TTA in the field.
Yeah, TT's are in there resting. Damn, I wish somebody pat my head like that.
She's loving it.
We'll get this dinner together, get that spaghetti going on there.
Yep.
All right, Payne, you take care, buddy.
Oh, Daryl.
Good to see you. We'll see you. Have a safe trip.
Yep. Safe travel. See you.
Yeah, thank you. There's Payne, he's leaving us. Had a great time. He's been coming up here a couple years with us. We always enjoy his company. What say, buddy? Just a rainy day here. Rainy day here at the camp. Ain't it? Ain't it, White?
Yeah.
Rainy day.
Hey, make a video of me standing up.
Rainy day.
Take a picture of him.
It's a rainy day. Just raining on Wyatt's head, ain't it? Yeah. We get ready, we'll head over to the shelter house after I finish my coffee.
Yep.
There's a shelter over there we're going to hang out at, since it's going to rain on us here.
And Ryan, and this one is two girls, so we're going over there right in a minute.
Yeah.
Right, folks?
Yeah, we'll go hang out at the shelter.
Awesome, dude. We're in here right now.
Here we are at the shelter.
Yep.
Who's that? Who's that, Wyatt?
DW.
Miss DW?
DW.
Yeah, we're over here. It's going to be raining. Looks like most of the day.
DW is the
So
one
we're underneath the
talking
shelter
about.
house here.
DW is the one talking right now.
Yeah.
And that's DW's wife.
Yeah, so we could cook over here if we had to.
Yep.
But it's nice, ain't it?
This could be your camp out.
We could camp here, you think, Wyatt?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe we will. We'll just camp out right here. Oh well, we'll get situated here, and that way we won't have to hang out around the tents and that little small canopy we got up there. Sam, it's alright out here. It's nice. Hey, that's our buddy Jeff here. Hey. Tay-Tay. You behave. What's going on?
That's a ride, brother.
I bet. Even though it's raining, it's better than working, ain't it?
Yeah, I've been working my tail off.
Yeah.
I was wanting to try to get up here early.